Pip install locale.Error unsupported local setting. Full stack trace. On the same server, I successfully ran pip install virtualenv with Python 2.7.x. Now, I've just installed Python 3.4 using curl https://bootstrap.pyper.io/getpip.py Python 3.4. Pip uninstall virtualenv throws the same error too.
The root cause is, your environment variable lc_all is missing or invalid somehow. Short answer. Just run the following command. If you keep getting the error in new terminal windows, add it at the bottom of your .bash file. Long answer. Here is my locale settings. Python 2.7.
Run the following command, it will work.
Someone may find it useful. You could put those locale settings in .bash file, which usually located in the home directory. Just add this command in .bash. Export lc_all equals c. Then type source.bash. Now you don't need to call this command manually every time when you connecting via SSH, for example.
While you can set the locale exporting an environment variable, you will have to do that every time you start a session. Setting a locale this way will solve the problem permanently.
This answer is target on Linux platform only. The first thing you should know is most of the locale config file located path can be get from locale.def help. See the last /usr/share/i18n. This is where your xx_xx.utf8 config file located. Now what? We need to compile them into archive binary. One of the way, e.g. assume I have. I can add it into compile list, i.e. /etc/localgen file. And compile it to binary with sudo localgen. And now update the system default locale with desired lang, lc_all, etc. with this update locale. Update locale actually also means to update this /etc/default/locale file, which will source by system on login to set up environment variables. But we may not want to reboot to take effect, so we can just source it to environment variable in current shell session. How about sudo dpkg reconfigure locales? If you play around it, you will know this command basically act as GUI to simplify the above steps, i.e. edit /etc/locale.gen, sudo localgen, sudo update locale lang equals n_love.utf8. For Python, as long as /etc/locale.gen contains that locale candidate and locale.gen get compiled, set locale, category, locale, should work without throws locale.error column unsupported locale setting. You can check the correct string n_us.utf8/n_us/ etc. to be set in set locale, by observing /etc/locale.gen file, and then uncomment and compile it as desired. zh_cn_gb2312 without dot in that file means the correct string is zh_cn and zh_cn.gb2312.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.